Welcome to the Bearded Sharpener. Today is part 2 of learning to make knife sheaths. Today I'm going to glue up the sheath. We're going to drill holes for the stitches. I found out it works a little bit better to make that way. Now we'll get to it. Now I've gone ahead and sewn up the belt loop. It turned out nice. What we're going to do today is use contact cement. I found out that works well for me. I'm going to put on a pair of gloves. It's less messy that way. Now always make sure the contact cement is stirred up well. I always like to let each side dry for about 20 to 30 minutes before I assemble it. Use this little piece of paper, that way everything stays clean. I'm not worried about a little run out on the side because we are going to trim everything. Now after this sets up, we'll assemble this, and we'll do the same thing with the back side of the sheath. Now that this has dried, we can go ahead and put this part on. Be careful with your contact cement, because it will stick real quick. And we are going to trim this. Now we can go ahead and glue this side up. That should be sufficient. Now we'll close the can up and let this set. We'll come back, we'll put both sides together. Now that the contact cement's had enough time to set up, we're going to assemble this. Very careful on this one. In fact, I'm going to stand up. So now it's set up. Wait just a little bit. I'll trim these off and we'll drill the holes. Just a reminder for the viewers, like and subscribe to this channel. Hit the notification bell. You'll stay up to date on all the latest content from the Bearded Sharpener, bringing great reviews on great products. Till then, have a good day.